How do you say concert in Chinese? We say 演唱会. This is my first time going to a concert. I can't wait to hear 林俊杰 sing live. 这是我第一次听演唱会，我等不及要听林俊杰现场唱歌了。
林俊杰现场唱歌真的超好听的，